everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Pilates with Pooja. I hope you are doing fine. And today we are going to work on definitely our entire body with that added element of focus on stability. I am looking forward to making more wholesome workout videos for you all. So, hence the change. I hope you all are enjoying it. So, if you're new here, hi, hello. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you get notifications from me. So hit that bell icon as well. Like my videos, comment, share, all that good stuff. It keeps me motivated. I'm always open to hearing from you guys. Alright, without any further ado, let's get into the workout. Hello everyone, this is the recipe for today's workout. So let's get into it. So we begin with the squat and punch. You can decide how wide you want to keep your legs for this squat, and accordingly position your legs and have two light dumbbells in your hands, and you can squat down and come up and punch. Make sure you have your core engaged, that you squeeze your butt when you come up just like you do when you end a squat, and punch up as you come up, right? That's the squat and punch. Now we are getting into the fire hydrant. If you will notice, I have placed my hands in a different position this time. One hand is in front and the other is a little bit behind. The reason behind that is to balance the stability of my body perfectly, so that I can also take my leg up more and work it a bit more than usual, right? That being said, coming to the next exercise, here we are going to do a hip lift, and we're going to also target our triceps at the same time. So keep your core engaged, and as you reach up, squeeze your butt. Don't hurt yourself with the weights, I'm telling you all. Please stay safe while doing this exercise. It's coming real close to your head. Now for the next exercise, it's a weighted hip lift. So just place those dumbbells. You can also vary the weights throughout this workout, alright? It's completely up to you. You can also vary the repetitions and sets according to your liking and comfort level. So just do these hip lifts. Instructions are same. Squeeze your butt as you reach up, and make sure you hold the dumbbells or whatever weight you are using while this exercise. Coming to this exercise, this is basically a knee side plank. You take your dumbbells, and when you come up, you are going to do a slight waist lift as well. So in this exercise, you're targeting your obliques, right? And make sure that even when you're on this side, you are keeping your core tight and your waist is lifted up, alright? Keep breathing, keep your core engaged, and when it comes to your hand, make sure that your weight is completely distributed throughout your forearm. So your fingers as well as your forearm is holding you, and not only your elbow is taking all the weight of your upper body, right? So keep those pointers in mind and perform a safe and effective workout. Now coming to the next exercise, the final one. Here you are basically working on opening your hips real well, while also working on your core, right? And you are also working on your chest side by side with working basically with having these weights in your hands. So yeah, make sure that you're breathing throughout, make sure that your core is engaged, and have an amazing workout. Now we are heading on to our cool off. So for the cool off, I would like to get into a child's pose. I love getting into the child's pose and just really stretching myself out. Here I'm just fidgeting with the weights, don't mind, but make sure that you have stretched your hands out completely, and you're constantly reaching out for a great stretch. Now roll yourself up, and
I tend to get a little bit stiff in my neck area, so just loosening that out, getting a good stretch in my shoulders area to sort of open that chest area up. Take as much time as you want, let that oxygen breathe in, take in as much air as you want. Now just opening my back up, opening my shoulders up. I like to move however I want to, even before and after the workout. And just doing a tricep stretch over here since we worked our triceps in one of the exercises. Stay for as long as you want and get a good stretch. Relieve the body of any tension and just keep breathing, keep moving. Now I'm going to get a good thigh stretch, so come on both thighs and just reach for one of the heels and get a good stretch on the side of your body this way. You basically want to turn your hand as far as you can towards the back. That's it for today. Hope you'll enjoy.
Alright everyone, that was today's workout. We worked our entire body. We worked on stability as well. This workout has really left me feeling light, fresh and with a really good mood. So hope you are feeling the same. We did 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Make sure to adjust the repetitions according to your comfort level, but also push yourself to the limits. Now that's about it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.